Today we're touring this modern bungalow home in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Today we're touring this well-built, modern 4-bedroom bungalow house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. I'm Jake Bautista and let's begin this tour. This property has a total lot area of 280 square meters with a 250 square meter floor area. It's quite rare to find such a well-designed bungalow in this condition in Metro Manila. So we're so excited to tour you through this property. Let's go through the pedestrian gate. You have your carport area here for 2 vehicles on the right. It's almost completely covered. You have this column here separating the parking area between the 2 cars. This picture window here at the front of the house gives a nice look to your parking area and also gives plenty of natural light to your main amenity space. And then of course to your left, you have a nice landscaped area right here. And on the left side upon entry, you have a landscape garden here. You also have vertical slats here. Just to add to the facade of the house, it's a very low profile facade, but at the same time, it's very clean and modern looking. You also have bamboo plants here and even maki plants here at the side of the house. So you have a pathway here leading all the way to the back of the house. You even have a water tank as well on this side at the back of the house. Okay, now let's head on in towards your main entry. Let's go. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have an open concept living and dining space here with a significant ceiling height. You have 16 lights for the entire amenity area. And the space has such a cozy feel because of the fluted wall cladding on this side. So you can easily have your living room set here, very well lit because of the picture window giving you a view of the parking area. And then on this side, this would easily accommodate a table for 6 people or even a round table. And then on this side, you have your modern kitchen. You already have a range hood, an induction cooktop, an island countertop for meal prepping. And then you have access here towards the service area of the house. So you can walk all the way to the front of the house from here. So this can be the laundry space. You have another heavy wash area on this side. You have a staff room here with a bathroom. And then you also have a water tank here at the back of the house with a pressure tank. And then as we walk through the property, you can really feel the size of the lot at 280 square meters. If you're looking to upgrade from a townhome or a large condo, this is perfect. Or if you're coming from a very large home, you're an empty nester, all the children have already moved out and started their own families, but you still want a single detached home, this is also perfect. Now let's take a look at the 4 bedrooms. Let's begin here in the largest room. So we can consider this the primary bedroom. It also has that view of your pocket garden amenity. And then you can even potentially replace this with a sliding door in the future. That's just an idea. So if you want to go immediately out towards the garden, you have plenty of storage here. Nice contrast with the flooring because of this dark fluted wall cladding. And then you have an ensuite bathroom right here. And then you have dark gray tiles as well, as a nice contrast as well to the walls here. So that's the first room, the largest room. And then you have 2 bedrooms here with a shared bathroom. So these are excellent if you have children. So the siblings can share the bathroom, but at the same time, this would also make for a fantastic home office space. If you're an empty nester couple and you both still have careers that you want to grow, you could easily use these 2 rooms as your separate home offices, right? So this could be a his and hers home office if this isn't going to be used as bedrooms. Because they have almost identical sizes, they have a shared bathroom, they have storage. They're also great as guest rooms as well. You even have additional storage here at the hallway, and then this is the shared bathroom. In addition, this property is located in such a quiet community. We usually gauge how quiet the street is with how many times we're interrupted while we're filming in front of the house. So for this particular property, it's very quiet. Very few cars were passing by in front of the house while we were filming. The only people who were passing by in front of the house were families and children who were taking their afternoon stroll, or even pets as well. So this attests to how peaceful and family-friendly this community is. Okay, so you have your 4th room here. It's a larger room than the last 2 bedrooms. This can also potentially be a primary bedroom if you prefer this. And then you also have, once again, an ensuite bathroom for this one. And then, of course, I just also want to show that on top of the 4 bedrooms, you also have a powder room right here. And then you have a staff room at the back of the house. And you have a primary staff room right here. So this is a multi-purpose room. This can be a staff room. However, the bathroom for this staff room would be a shared bathroom with the bathroom of the other staff room outside. Or they can use the powder room. Or if you only need 1 staff room, the one outside is already sufficient, and this can be a great pantry room as well. So it's up to you how you want to maximize this room. But this property basically has 6 rooms, 4 bedrooms, a staff room, and then this multi-purpose room. So that's a great value on top of the carport area for 2 vehicles. Less than 10% of our house tours are bungalow homes, so we're so excited to be able to tour this home for you. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.